and that was in South Carolina. So let's get started. Okay guys, so over here we are going through the gates to go inside the helicopter. I was so scared at first. I was so sweaty. I was like, what if the helicopter doesn't make it all the way through the ride? What if it falls in the sea? Oh my god, what's gonna happen? But then I'm like, nah, that's just being silly. So then I'm like, I'm so excited. I can't wait. So I was like sweating for scaredness and excitingness, but mostly excitingness because like I never experienced being on a helicopter on top of the sea. We're gonna be on top of the sea, like I'm going to be seeing the sea, the ocean, how blue it is. It's gonna be so amazing. Alright guys, so now it is time to get in the helicopter. As you guys can see, I'm going in first because I'm the youngest, but it's really cool to be in the front because you could sit next to the pilot and you could see clearly what the pilot is using, and he also explained why we need these tool things and what they're for. So that was really cool. And we also used microphones, or not microphones, headphones and microphones were attached to it, so that was really cool to avoid noises. And then I'm like, why should I be afraid? They're nice and really fun. So then I'm like, time to fly up into the sky. Yay, we're up in the sky! The city looks so small, and in fact we're on top of the ocean, so we can see so much things. I had a lot of fun riding the helicopter. Maybe you guys can try and go to ride the helicopter. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on next time. Goodbye!